Gurupadadandam Bhakta Vrinda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Vande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nanda Nandananga Vande Sri Radhika Sharanandam Gopijana Samajuktam Vrindavano Manoharam Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasani Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga, all glories to Sri Guru Parampara, all glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan, all glories to assembled devotees. There is a question, 2 questions sent by Rasheshwari from Russia. Could you answer the question if could you please answer? You often explain the quality of simplicity. Can you please explain in more details what simplicity is and what is concept included? Simplicity means not to go in complication. Not to reach in complication. Just simple. Krishna is God. I am there. We are there, sir. We are His eternal servant. All we are His eternal servant. When you have understanding about it, then Krishna will reveal everything in your heart. Then whatever he is revealing, you can see Shastra also is telling the same thing. So we have no any other queries, just like you simply accept whatever your authority means, to whom you accept, that person is your spiritual authority. He is telling from Shastra, I have to accept it. Simplicity means not foolishness. Simplicity means also cleverness. That person, we consider that person is clever, who wants to get out from this material attachment. That is a clever person. But nowadays, we are considering clever person that person is clever who has such material intelligence to accumulate lot of material wealth. But simplicity means just to manage everything with equilibrium, with proper equilibrium between our mundane responsibilities and material duties. And gradually focus to leave this all attachment. This is very simple, simplicity, just like a chanting Harinam under the shelter of pure devotee. That is very simple understanding. This was, if you follow it, this is called simplicity. If you don't want to accept it, why, then it's called complication. This is called simplicity. Now, what does it mean to live with emotion? You say that emotion is not devotion. What does it mean? I think once I explained about it. Emotion sometimes it's coming from our mind concoction. When mind concoction, that is, then we can see that is not devotion. Devotion means to follow the footsteps of our previous teachers, to whom we accept, which parampara we accept, what parampara says, parampara's previous teacher, what they will say, to follow without any doubt. That is our Shastra. And if we just make our new law according to our own convenience, and that we say this is called devotion, that is not devotion. That is emotion. I have tears when I read the Chaitanya Bhagavatam because I realize my pitiful situation by your grace. When I realize that I have wasted so much time, or when the Vaishnavas are leaving, I am crying and I cannot stop my tear. How can I cope with these emotions? Yeah, very nice. That means, looks like you are previously maybe Chaitanya Mahaprabhu associate, someone, maybe you are Madhavi Devi. Therefore you feel tear. Chaitanya Bhagavat, you love it. Anyway, just to think about, it is continuing, or like certain time being, it is coming and after that, it become disappeared. It disappeared. when it is flickering manner, coming, going, for the certain time being coming and then going, then you can see it is also emotion. And if it is really coming from the bottom of your heart, then it is called, that is your realization. Sa, Guru, Vaishnava. So first of all, we have to think that how much we have faith, to whom we accept my spiritual authority. When spiritual authority says, sleep in my room, if you follow that, it will consider to be your service. This thing happened. Once this thing happened in Calcutta, Chaitanya Gaudiya Math, in 1992 or 1993, I used to collect money for Guru Maharaj Vyasa Puja festival from Calcutta, Dalhousie city. Office to office, different residential quarter, in that way. But anyway, at that time, I collect good money. In 1 week, more than 40,000 rupees I accumulate. So anyway, one day, when my collection time, when Guru Maharaj used to take rest after taking lunch. But I don't like to say anything to him because I was alone. If I say I'm going, he may not give permission. With that fear, when he's just taking rest, I just go take a bus, Kalighat to Dalhousie, half an hour, 1 hour I move and again come back. In 2 hours I'm coming back. So anyway, So one day, in between period, he becomes sick. And the temple authority, name is Nitya Gopal Prabhu. When I came in, he was chastising me so much. It's unbelievable matter. Are you rascal, idiot, so much. Best language also. Your Gurudev, more than 95-year-old, how you will live, how you will go, so much. Inside, I was feeling that I not going for my amusement purpose. I went there for do some inside. I never say anything what purpose. If I say this is my purpose, then he will put me more trouble. So anyway, when I went to enter to room, the Gurudeva room, and I saw his face little bit different than what I saw in 2 hours. This was filaria fever. Filaria fever goes up. In half an hour goes down, and then make you weak. Extremely weak. Dr. Prabal Ranjan Rai, says United Nursing Home, Chaitanya Das, Charu Maharaj's disciple, Chaitanya Das, near to his home, there is a doctor, Prabal Ranjan Rai. I used to call him. His wife, name is Sudarshana Devi, call him. And he used to come freely treatment, even medicine free, everything free. Very good doctor. So anyway, so then Gurudev asked me first question, where you went? I say, I just with proud mood says, I went there for collection, for your Vasaruja. Then he was silent and says, he said like this, with my order if you sleep here, it will be a seva. Without my order if you go and collect million rupees, it will consider to be a karma. So therefore, if our emotion, our enthusiasm, according to our previous teachers, instruction accordingly happening, our BPR, accordingly happening, if our emotion based on our previous teachers' instruction, then emotion is called devotion. But if it is coming from mind concoction, that I feel this is good, that is called symptom of demotion. You are ignoring. I think Raseshwari is very nice devotee. She understand, or I don't know, but anyway, after class you can call and I can. If you are not satisfied with my answer, just to call me. Hare Krishna. So now we have to go through so Anubhashya, Srila Prabhupada's explanation. Jeva prema bilas vivatto ek hoy, taha shuni tomar shukh hoy ki na hoy. On that base, prema bilas vivatto. Prema bilas sambhav, enjoyment. Vivatto means separation. Such bhav. So now Ramananda coming to that bhav, explaining. Before he explained Radha Prem. Now he come to the Prema Vilas Vivarta Bhav. So I explained yesterday and day before yesterday also. Now we are reading the Srila Prabhupada's commentary, Anubhashya. Let me read like that. Rasapurna Indiro, Rasapurna, I think I read that. Yeah. Rasamoy Vishoy, Rasapurna Indriri Gacha. Rasamoy Vishoy means object of service. Vishoy means object of service. Which is Krishna. Krishna is Rasamoy Vishoy. An object of melo. All melo with Krishna. Therefore Krishna we call Akhila Rasamrita Murti. All melo. Condensed form is Krishna. Everything there. And if you really want to realize, then you have to be also Rasamoy. Means your concentration, your everything you have to dedicate to the Rasamoy. Otherwise it is not possible. With mind concoction or with the material intelligence, you want to realize, you want to understand Krishna, it is impossible. Krishna is beyond the Maya. We are under the Maya. Krishna is controller of Maya. We are on the trap of Maya. We cannot say Krishna is exclusive according to my realization. It is exclusive. Then Krishna becomes limited. Krishna is unlimited. His capacity, his power, everything unlimited. Therefore, we have to be Rasamoy. Surrender, chanting, completely free from all material attachment, name, fame, distinction, material worship, recognition, everything free. We don't want any recognition. Krishna, you accept me. Whatever people say about me, I don't care. Their appreciation, I don't care. I want your appreciation. Your pure devotee appreciation. That is most important. Because they are Rasamoy. Pure devotee are Rasamoy. Rupa Goswami appreciate you. Sarupa Damodar appreciate you. That means you are Rasamoy. Birds of same feather flock together. Birds of same feather flock together. Rasamaya people always searching Rasamaya. And who has no Rasa, they want to get Rasa from public. Public appreciation I need. Public appreciation, materially I can be uplifted. But spiritually we may degrade it. Why? This false ego come up. I am a great. So many people appreciating me. This is not our goal. Our main goal to get appreciation by Rasamoy means pure devotees and Bhagavan. Pure devotees, Guru Vaishnava and Bhagavan. Not like a general people. So many people gathering. Because nowadays advertisement too, at this age of advertisement, how much you advertise, that much people you can gather. That is there. If Bhaktivinoda Thakur come for giving discourses here, I think 1 or 2 people will come. Isn't it? If Gaur Krishna Thakur come, I think it's the same thing. If no one describing the glories of Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Gaur Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj, no one feel interest to go there. Rather they go there, Murari Babu. Then if you look, go for Murari Babu's class. 100,000 people gathering. Good advertisement, signboard. Anyway. So, রসপূর্ণ ইন্দ্রিয় রসময় দর্শন পর্শনাদি দ্বারা রসিকেশকর রসপ্রবণ বিষয় বিগ্রহ নন্দনন্দনের প্রেম সেবা করিয়া থাকে। দেখুন, রসপূর্ণ ইন্দ্রিয়, ইন্দ্রিয় means organ are full of mellow. There are no any material interest, only to think, who is thinking only Krishna's gratification, Krishna's sense gratification. How Krishna become happy? Like all the gopis, they are eligible to serve Krishna. Not like me, I can go. No, I have still interest. I need appreciation. I need garlands. I need nice sitting place. I need surrounding people appreciation. They should appreciate me. But gopis, they don't care about the family. Their husband, what they think about. Nowadays, if some woman told by the husband that if you go there, tomorrow you should see in the court for divorce. Will you go there? But Dijapatni, Jaya Dijapatni, Jaya. The Dijapatni means Brahmana's wife. They just, okay, no problem, let me go. But they are rasamaya indriyo. They are indriyo, then their organs are rasamaya. They always want to serve Krishna. Chanting constantly, why? Because to please rasamaya, embodiment, Krishna. Embodiment of rasa, mellows, condense of mellows, all mellows, Krishna. So therefore, we should chant always instead of gossiping. Who is higher, who is lower, who is uttam, who is adham, who is madhyam. I saw that nowadays too much discussion about uttam bhakto, madhyam bhakto. My spiritual master used to laugh with that way. Baba, I am thinking I am not even Kanishta Vikari. I'm not qualified to deserve Kanishta Vikar. But one Acharya give me certificate. I am Kanishta Adhikari. So great. But if someone says I'm Kanishta Adhikari, I feel offended. What? Now there's too much discussion. Not thinking how much I render service. Whole day, how much I spend time for Krishna services. How much I chant in front of Krishna. Or in a room, in spirit, I reach Krishna. How long? How much? It's not speakable to others. It is only realization. Should keep hidden. Whenever we have tendency to share with others, in public, with my followers, that means my false ego come up. Maybe I am speaking some exaggeration. Maybe this thing happened, speaking that much. Hypocrisy kicked out. Dharma prachita kaidava. Dharma kicked out. Hypocrisy. Kaidava. So hypocrisy is not applicable. We make fool some people all the time. We may make fool some people for some time. Not all people all time. One day it will discover, catch. Therefore, pure devotee, they want realization. They want, want to realize it. So anyway, they want to realize it. So, Indriya Rasamaya Darshan. Darshan means actually it is viewed, but see, Rasamaya Darshan. Akhila Rasamrita Murti, Krishna. Not like a black stone with threefold form standing. Not like that. Gopinath. Sparshanadi Dara, Rashika Shekhar. Rashik Shekhar, topmost male who has Krishna. Rashika Shekhar, Rasha Prashravan. Always male floating. Vishaya Vigraha, object of service. That Murti. Nandanandaner Prem Seva Koritage. Nandanandan means son of Nanda Maharaj. So all the adjective, Visheshan, adjective, whatever he is using, Rasamaya, Rashika Shekhar, Rasa Prasavan, always mellow, floating, Rashikasha, topmost mellows, embodiment of, condense of embodiment, all mellows condense from, this is all is Nandanandan Krishna. That, who can serve? Who is Rashik, whose body, all organ become Rasamaya. Not like a material. Rasamaya. Never ever. You can see. 1995 means my Gurudev age 97. He is installing deities. Several temples. I saw. 5 o'clock morning he started, 5 o'clock evening he finished, without water. Is it possible? In the middle of the day, whose temple is it? They request, Maharaj, it is too late for you. And also devotee also want to, they are hungry. They say, we can just let them take prasad, no problem. But I have to finish. Whatever I learned from Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta, I have to do it. 1995 means 97-year-old. Is it possible for you? So many devotees you can see, they have Alzheimer, or they have some disease, some disease called, they have some disease, some dementia disease. They are not able to remember. But still, remember with following all principles, sound faith, only Rasamaya. Because he was feeling bliss. Therefore, in 97-year-old, he is still able to keep dry fast until finishing all the ritualistic for installation of the deities. I was there in Rasa Purnima day in Mayapur, Gauru Gadadhar temple. This Bon Maharaja disciple, forget the name, Roshananda Maharaj. Roshananda Maharaj. His temple. Gurudev went there. They request. Actually, most of the, in Gokul Mahavan, I was there. Chaitanya Gauda Gokul Mahavan, Tirtha Goswami Maharaj said, same thing. when around 1 o'clock, I saw Bhaktivedanta Narayan Maharaj came there. Everybody attended that installation program. Huge crowd. And then I said, Bhaktivedanta Maharaj come up the temple. I was assisting Gurudev. I was young, I became fed up. But he never fed up. He was, do this, do that, do that. And then he also constantly doing some mantra, doing some ritualistic things, performing fire. This 1993. This happened 1993. When he was 95-year-old. Same thing. 5 o'clock morning we started. 5 o'clock evening we finish. 1 o'clock Bhakti Vallabh Tirtha Maharaj came up in the temple and explaining to Gurudev, Maharaj, there are so many people here, so we need to distribute prasadam. What do you think? Then Gurudev says, you can distribute prasadam, no problem. But I have to finish. Now Tirtha Goswami Maharaj is not speaking directly, indirectly speaking. That's make it short. He never said make it short. In that way. So Rasamoy, without the mellow, without your your faith, it's not possible to continue 12 hours in that advanced age, 95-year-old, to perform the service. At that time also he got pneumonia. I have some coughing trouble because when I drink water, I had coughing trouble coming. Also speaking Lord, coughing trouble coming. But he has pneumonia prescribed by K. Gopal. You know this Madan Mohan Ghera, the doctor K. Gopal. He prescribed. He doing constantly. How? Because Rasamoy, in his all organ, becomes so much happy to serve Krishna. I think he knows. He performed Gayatri 1 hour 45 minutes. Then he do puja, Manas puja. Until 95 he did his real puja, Saligram, Gomoti and Giriraj. Every day, Tulsi, bathing by his own hand. Then I was assisting him. This is winter time, it's a warm water. If we make little more hot, no, make warm water. Again have to go. Tulsi, twig should be this much, not that big. Wash properly. Chandan, sandalwood paste, should be with Ganga water and camphor, that way is best. Not like a, aguru. Aguru which is chemical. No chemical. He never used aguru. No chemical, aguru, no. One type of liquid chandan water, what is chemical. He said no aguru. Garbu and camphor, Ganga water, and then rub. I know, if he become late, he himself will do. This 95-year-old. So we have to do it before he starting. So Rasamoy, without such sound faith, not only faith is like a low loving service attitude is not possible in the advanced age, every day, constantly. When 100 years old, he is not able to, because his hand is so much shaky. He should do Manas Puja. This is one cup, Achman cup and 2 bowl, copper bowl. One is Guru Vaishnava, one is Radha Krishna Mahaprabhu. In mind, he is offered Tulsi, and then water. You saw that, right? After that, he is taking water. Charanamrita is taking that. So, is it impossible without loving service attitude, means rasamoy attitude, full of mellow, taste of mellow he had. Therefore he did so. But people, the comments, they pass their comments, he is Kanishtadhikari. Therefore he was laughing and enjoying that and passing his remarks. I was thinking, I am not even Kanishtadhikari, I am lower than Kanishtadhikari. Actually he say like that. I was thinking, I am not able to deserve the post Kanishtadhikari. I am lower than Kanishtadhikari. I am lower than Kanishtadhikari. But one Acharya give me this position, great, it's a sound faith on deities. But nowadays you can see all we are not thinking about Lord's services. Thinking of how much we know the Lord pastime that I want to share and make people churn, look, I am that much qualified. Once 1993 I came with Gurudev. I was there in this Kaliyadaho. Then I saw one old man with putting some mask on his face. Then he came to Gurudev and paid obeisance. Then I requested him to go to his ashram. Then I saw his name is Haridas Sastri. Haridas Sastri. And then they are discussing such a high tattva. Looks like they have some previous connection. In 1994, when Bhakti Sarvasva Govindamara took sannyas in Kunjivihari Gaudiya Math, Govindamara, Bhakti Sarvasva Govindamara, Pandit Govindamara, he took sannyas there. Then, afternoon time, I heard the name, this Ananta Dasavaji. I never saw him that time. Then, that time Kunjibari Math was open. And Guru Maharaj sitting on his wheelchair there in the middle of the open place. Because he liked to go to see the Radha Kund, Sham Kund. He was sitting there, I have to pull. Then I saw one Babaji came and sat in front of him with folded palm. Maharaj, he recognized Ananto. Abnar Das, I am your servant. Then he speaks something, some few minutes, then he go. He has 4 or 5 disciples with him. Go. Then I ask him, how you know? I heard Ananta Das Babaji, he is blaspheming to Prabhupada. You don't never say anything, just actually you are assisting me in Bagbajar Gaudiya Math. When I was Bagbajar Gaudiya Math, he was my assistant in the publication department. He never said anything, he is criticizing anything, never. Even Ananta Das Babaji, Ananta Vasudev Prabhu, I am telling this, Ananta Vasudev Prabhu, his Samadhi in Chatak Parvat, his temple in Chatak Parvat, near Chatak, that Purushottam Math. I don't know the year exactly. It was during the chariot festival of Jagannath Puri. At the time, I took him because he wants to see Tota Gopinath, Chatak Parvat, everything. And I have to carry him. And he don't like to carry him. Walk all the way. One hand he held him, holding my arm. So anyway, I am bringing, then I saw Bhakti Swarup Bhagavad Maharaj Because I know him before. Who is Acharya of Bhakti Gaudiya at that time, Bhakti Sri Bhagavad Maharaj. As soon as he saw, then he just, with his disciples, come running towards him. Maharaj, your health is very nice. Just say in this way, in Bengali word. Oh, Rupa Vilas. Buddha doesn't know his Sunda's name. His previous name was Rupa Vilas. Dandavad. Then Maharaj, then he paid obeisance. Then he went to Prabhupada's. I take him over. Then he going to the Samadhi temple, no? Then I say, this is Ananta Vasudeva. Pay obeisance. Then I say, I heard Ananta Vasudeva. No, I was speaking him, I don't know what he said. I heard Ananta Vasudeva doing so many, become against Srila Prabhupada, with so many wrong things. You know about it, right? This is not your subject. He just answered like this way. This is not, don't go through that. You'll commit offense. From that day I never enter. Whatever his past life, I don't like to see. And I wrote one snapshot biography of Ananta Vasudeva. This is internet available, you can see. Prabhupada.raise.com. You can just click, then you can see. So who has Rashamaya, if you wear a red glass, you see all red. Everything red. When your eyes is dirty, then you see all dirty. Like today, there is explanation, Jagashar Prabhu says, Dronacharya sent two of his disciples, Duryodhana, to search. So I was a good person around his kingdom. Fresh, who has no fault, such person. And Yudhishthira Maharaj also told by Dronacharya, go and search one dirty person. So both say there is no dirty. Yudhishthira Maharaj said there is no dirty person, everybody fresh, nice. And Duryodhana coming, everybody dirty. Therefore I am telling you, this glass, red glass, she is all red. So I have seen my spiritual master, he always keeping connection with Krishna. Anyone comes, Baba, it's a problem. Okay. What I do, Baba, I can do only one thing. Pray to my previous teachers. Om Swasti no Govind. He doing that. Even Jayapataka Maharaj came once. Several times he came. Whenever he came, that Jayapataka, I forget the name, Bhakti Charu, Gopal Krishna Maharaj. Not only that, I forget the one, slim and taking only fruits, white skin. Kavichandra Maharaj. When Gaur Govinda Maharaj passed, they came all. Wants to know what they will do. Gaur Govinda Maharaj passed in such manner. During class, he passed his way. When he's giving Ram Katha. They say like that. I was there. Then whatever Gurudev say, they are not following. They took. And then, anyway, this is them. So look. See, he always look good things. This Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj wrote him very sarcastic letter. If you read the letter, sarcastic letter. I asked him, can I write against that letter? Advaita Acharya Nityananda Prabhu, if they quarrel, do you want to involve? Do you want to judge their activities? He wrote me such sarcastic letter. Law, Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada want to test my tolerance. His vichardhara, his justification was such a nice. I wrote that, In the biography I wrote that. This is not your business. People may say so many things. Why they are telling so? Maybe I am going to be in the trap. Therefore, Lord sending such type of personification to protect me from upcoming trap. Such a nice vichardhara, such a nice justification, such a nice judgment. There is not looking any fault. That I realize with him. Therefore, I am just telling so long time on these topics. Rasamoy. The Rasamoy Indriyo means who has realization about Krishna's all mellow. They can serve Krishna without any rest, with following all ritual process. That means he is not Kanishta Adhikari. In Bengal, there is a explanation. Lok chinbe morone. People, what's tendency he had during the time of death, you can recognize. Maybe lunar cycle. It's not proper. Tithi not proper. Star not proper. Maybe time of death is akpat dos. There's so many type of faults, problems. But when he passes body, full of rasa. Krishna's full of rasa dance. No any obstacles. No obstacles there. It seems like he was 6 months, he was waiting to enter in the rasa dance. No, Manus Chilbe Morone in Bengal, he knows. The time of death, what time he died, what position of star and tithi, lunar cycle. That is the Rasha dance. It's good day or bad day. And time, 10 past 2 a.m. not p.m. 10 past 2. Perfect time. So, therefore, my feeling, you may say that your Gurudev, you are glorifying him. Not like that. You can just ask everyone. When you are serving, how he used to serve. Therefore, this Prabhupada says, Rasapurno Indriyo, Rasamaya Darshan. Deities see Rasamaya. Golokanath, Gopinath, Radhanath is such type of expression. He associates so much with Gurudev, Bimal Krishna. Alright? Yeah. উহা নির্বিশেষবাদীর অতন্নিরস্ত জড় রাহিত্যাবস্থা মাত্র নহে। নির্বিশেষবাদী বলে who don't believe Lord have fallen. Like yesterday I saw on YouTube. YouTube was some not YouTube, actually, there's someone sending some WhatsApp, some message that this one person describing, Lord has enough form. The Swamiji here, so many people are gathered and he's speaking very nice Hindi and English, very nice action. I don't know, forget the name. Oh my God, this is Mayavadi philosophy. The নির্বিশেষবাদী অতন্যেরস্ত জড়রাহিত্য অবস্থা মাত্র নয়। এই জন্য রসের সংজ্ঞায় ভাবনা বর্তের বিশেষভাবে অতিক্রম লিপিবদ্ধ হইয়াছে। I can give you an example. The Muniji in Rishikesh. In 1995, I went there. I stayed there one night with Ramdas and Abhishek Goswami. Abhishek Goswami, Radharaman. 3, we bought a new Tata Sumo car. That time Tata Sumo car very new, and we drove there. So I stayed there. Then I saw Muniji always sitting one place and speaking from morning to night. I don't know what sadhana is there. And then early morning there are deities there. Machine, bang, dum, this, dang, 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 dong, 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 all the machine. But big temple. Then I saw only Pujari doing some arati, but not like our style, very minimum matter. Then there is no proper process of offering. Offering they are not doing, just cooking, bringing, cooking. I was there, and early morning one couple came, Maharaj tea. And they gave me a very nice room for me to stay. Tea? The ashram, right? Hindustani, No, I don't want. Then I realized they are not following the principles, but we are following principles. Then I never ate anything except Muniji gave me dry food, one packet, dry fruits. That I take and water. No rice, no chapati, no sabji. I stay there more than 24 hours. This will take care of this. Because Prabhupada explained one day in his Gaudiya home. He said, say like this, বরণ বিষ খেয়ে মরে যাওয়া ভালো, তথাপি মায়াবাদীর সঙ্গ করা ভালো না। Rather take poison and leave your body, but it is not good to associate with Mayavadi, impersonalism. You understand what he said? So our PPS teacher instructing like that way. Although it is not proper to say, but we have to share what our Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta's decision, instruction. If you follow his instruction, definitely we will deliver ourselves from this material world and get the Rasama Indriya full. Our all organ will be loving service, gets loving service more. Never complain, never objection. Whatever we have, we are doing that. जो निर्विशेष অতন্যেরস্ত জড়রাহিত্য অবস্থা মাত্র নয়, means অতন্যেরস্ত, They are always thinking. There are Nirvishesvadi, means Mayavadi. Who don't believe that Lord have form. They are thinking, Lord have no form. Then I would ask them, whoever come to me, you have form. You say, Lord is supreme. So if you believe it, yes. So why not believe if you have form? Then why not Lord have no form? No, I believe Jesus. Okay, Jesus, okay. Jesus say in Bible, God create a man after his own image. God, Bhagavan, create a man after his own image. So he accepts image. You know this, Santa Goswami Maharaj went to Bangladesh. There is so many professors from Dhaka University came and asking him, we don't believe Lord has form. They are asking him. Santa Goswami is listening, everything. We are Muslim, we are Muslim, we don't believe Lord has form. And Santa Goswami asking them, why you just make mosque for Lord? If there is no form, why you make mosque for them? Then they say, okay, the Lord is huge. So how you are Hindu make a Lord is small size? In the university's classroom, there is a world map. He is very clever, Santa Goswami Maharaj. He says, okay, what is India? America? There, everybody is Europe there. He acting like he doesn't know anything. Professor, all the people are showing this. Then at the end he says, world is such a huge, how are you keeping such a paper? Small paper. Someone actually investigate, then he draw it accordingly. Same way, our previous teachers. Our parampara started from Krishna. Krishna is the Chaturmukha. Brahma. Krishna ke Brahma. Krishna ke mantra, that's in this, Prabhupada says, so flute, mantras, sound vibration coming into Brahma's mouth. So, in that way, we have to understand. So, Nirvishesvadi means Mayavadi, they may have so much logic, but Lord have form. Lord is actually has unlimited capacity. For devotee, he is like a very affectionate, who don't believe like a lion. My grandfather used to say, Lord like a lion. Lion for his shavak, means for his kids, is very affectionate. For others, very ferocious. It's better to believe Lord, and Lord has form, and Lord is condensed form of all mellow. Lord form is condensed from all mellow. Therefore, Vaishnava Dharma is logical. Vaishnava philosophy is logical. And if anyone follow Vaishnava path, they are in the right track. They can go back to spiritual abode. Because Sarupe Savar hai Goloke Sthiti. in our eternal identity. When you are revealed, then we will go back to Golok. Savar hoy, everybody's. They have place in Golok Vrindavan. So, therefore, all our Acharya gave me. Now, today, not exam. Today I am not reading so much. Anyway, tomorrow I will read, continue. Today I am just speaking, how I feel inspiration to speak about Gurudev. Guru Vargo, I speak. Anyway, tomorrow I will read. I hope you understand this Vaishnava philosophy, logical Vaishnava philosophy will deliver us, all living beings, if anyone surrender. They will, Vaishnava philosophy will allow them to deliver to back to their eternal Father, which is Supreme Lord. So Vaishnava's philosophy's main instruction, chanting with surrender. For surrender, then chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, gradually deliver yourself from this material attachment. That is the main purpose. All we are here in this human form. In the name of Vaishnava practice, if you look, your material attachment is increased, then you have to know some problem is going on in your practice. So remove your problem and establish devotion and gradually back to spiritual abode. Thank you very much.